Hey everybody, it's Ride with Mike time. So we started off at the Beach Chalet and now we're riding through Golden Gate Park. Alright, we're heading toward Arguello. And you'll see that's passing through Gary and that bakery that's always crowded. So we're going up the hill to the Presidio. Wow, this thing is, this video is moving too fast. I think I might change the, I tried a new format this time. It's like way too fast. I don't know. We definitely don't ride this fast, right? This is a time lapse, but let me try something different next time. Alright, we head down through the Presidio. We're heading toward the Marina Green. This is like right in the heart of Presidio. They've done a really great job of remodeling and making the Presidio pretty fantastic. I'd check it out if I was down there. So this is Marina Green. And there's a lot of people out. School's out, and a lot of kids are out. A lot of families are out with riding bikes, rent-a-bikes, as I call it. Yep, that's a bunch just went by. So we're on the backside, heading down toward whatever that area is. I don't know. You guys are Embarcadero Square, Buena Vista, and Fisherman's Wharf to the left. I might try crab place. I got a craving for a crab salad. Sounds good. All right, we're riding down the Embarcadero again. Lots of kids out. They were going to Exploratorium. So we've gone past Chase. We're now heading through the Mission. We're gonna make a left down Valencia. Now we're on the going up the hill toward Alemany. Sorry, that was a right. And this part you recognize. Probably it's like near 280. Near the, whatever, that BART station. Sorry, I forget what the BART station is. Alright, Geneva Ave, Alemany. Heading toward Daly City. I mean, this is like the backside of our ride. It's kind of nice. There's a pretty wide bike lane. This is the fun part where we're heading down Brotherhood. And if you ever driven down Brotherhood, just imagine how fast you can go on a bike. This is kind of scary right here because we got to cross over into the left turn and try not to get hit. But we didn't get hit, and so now we're riding around Lake Merced. So we're going around the Lake Merced apartments. And, on the right-hand side here, Kathy and Lynn and Fred are walking around Lake Merced. And now we're at the zoo. And that's the end of our ride. Poof.